Hello, everyone. Welcome to my video on investment strategies overview. Today, we're going to explore the different ways people invest in the stock market to grow their money. Come, let's deep dive into each of them in detail. Importance of investing. Why invest? Before we dive into strategies, let's understand why people invest. The goal is to make our money work for us and grow over time. This is especially important in a country like India, where we have a dynamic stock market. Overview of investment strategies. What are investment strategies? Investment strategies are like plans or ways to make decisions about where to put our money. It's like having different tools in a toolbox, and each tool has its own way of helping us achieve our goals. Now, we will see each of the investment strategy in brief. What is dividend investing? One strategy is called dividend investing. This is like getting paid regularly for being a part owner of a company. Imagine owning a share of a company like Tata or Infosys and receiving a portion of their profits as dividends. For example, if you own shares in Infosys, the company may share a part of its profits with you as dividends. It's a bit like receiving a reward for being a loyal supporter of that company. What is value investing? Another strategy is value investing. This is like finding good deals on the stock market. Think of it as finding stocks that are priced lower than what they are really worth. For example, suppose ABC stock is currently undervalued. Value investors would see this as an opportunity to buy it at a lower price, expecting its value to rise in the future. It's like getting a good deal on something valuable. What is growth investing? Growth investing is our third strategy. This is like investing in companies that are expected to grow fast. Companies involved in technology, like TCS, Persistent Systems, or Infosys, etc., are often considered growth stocks. For example, imagine if you invested in a young and innovative Indian tech company. If it succeeds and grows, your investment could also grow significantly. It's like planting a seed and watching it turn into a big tree. What is passive index fund investing? Another strategy is passive index fund investing. This is like buying a little bit of everything. In India, there are index funds that represent the entire stock market, like the Nifty or Sensex. For example, by investing in an index fund, you're essentially buying a small piece of every major company in India. It's like saying, I believe in the overall growth of the Indian economy. Now, why do people use different strategies? One big reason is to spread the risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. In India, investing in different types of stocks and strategies helps protect our money from the ups and downs of the market. Conclusion: investing in the stock market can be like choosing different paths to reach the same destination, financial growth. Whether it's through dividends, value, growth, or index funds, each strategy has its unique way of helping us achieve our financial goals in the Indian stock market. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might be interested in understanding investment strategies in the Indian stock market. Happy investing!